ground. Power shifts with a ruthless sound. Stripped out builds tuned to run. Old school muscle gets the job done. Head is cracked, no time to stall. Street tuned beasts stand proud and tall. Cruising Melbourne streets, engines loud and strong. Northern Gal awaits, she's been leading all along. She lines up the meets where the street beast shines. Toughest rides in town, every panel looking fine. Petrol heads gather, yeah, we play our part. All the world spinning, every rim a work of art. Hands-on builds with backyard pride. No flash, just grunt, that's how we ride. No sponsors here, just grit and grind. On summer nights we leave the past behind. Side by side our engines sing, each machine a personal thing. Cruising Melbourne streets, engines loud and strong. Northern Gal awaits, she's been leading all along. She lines up the meets where the street beast shine. Toughest rides in town, every panel looking fine. Petrol heads gather, yeah, we play our part. All oil wells spinning, every rim a work of art. Street lights gleam, our motors purr. We cruise with pride, no need to stir. We own the night, but keep it clean. It's car love pure, not a reckless scene. From muscle to chrome, we celebrate. Getting together, making new mates. Northern Gal sets the tone just right, where builds and stories shine at night. Cruising Melbourne streets, engines loud and strong. Northern Gal awaits, she's been leading all along. She lines up the meets where the street beast shine. Toughest rides in town, every panel looking fine. Petrol heads gather, yeah, we play our part. All oil wells spinning, every rim a work of art. So here's to the nights, to the chrome and the sound, to newfound mates when the wheels come round. No burnouts, no drama, just love for the ride. With legends in paint, just parked side by side. From the berth to the bay, we roll with pride. The Northern Gal crew always cruising in stride. Till the next meet, we'll keep it tight. Respect on the roads and throttle by night.
A Northern Gal gathering brings together petrol heads from all walks of life. Every pride and joy built with heart, grit, and pure dedication.